So the next topic after sum is the sorting and using the filter option in Excel easily. The benefit of sorting is, ترتيب على الأحرف أو ترتيب على الأرقام is always used in our daily life. So how to do it in Excel? We teachers also use it often, very much often. And if you have such a table, let's say this is a business trading company's report table, let's say, assume, and we have the departments, we have the categories for the departments, and we have the monthly, let's say, profit, October, November and December months. So how to deal with such a table, how to make sorting. Now if we have this table, you click anywhere here and you can just put this column according to the letter from the A to Z or Z to A, as well as when you click here which numbers, only numbers, you can also make a sorting according to this column, November column, from the smallest number to the biggest or from the biggest to the smallest. So up to you what you want to do. Let me show you example. For example, for the department, if you go to the ribbon here, A to Z, you see, and just choose it, sort tertib from A to Z. So as you see, bakery, deli, meat, and produce. So this column, department column, this column will be sorted out. But on the other hand, all the relevant row will be going up or down according to this column. Okay, so department will be our main sorting column, but the other data also will be shifted up or down according to the department. So the information relevancy will be protected. And now according to the, for example, monthly sale in November, let's say from the small, not largest is better, I want to see the most profitable product. So in this case, in November, the meat department, beef category, giving us $110,000 profit, let's say. Okay, so you can see the report this way. Sorting is making the things easier. Another issue is filtering. The filtering, how to make a filter according to department category or the monthly sales. So when you choose that row, which is the title row of the table, titles of the table, just go to the, again, sort and filter option on the ribbon and choose the filter option. When you turn on the filtering, it will put here drop down a row. Excel will just put it automatically, and all the titles, all the department names will be shown up here. Of course, in this case, you will not be using that monthly sale because numbers are a lot. So what you can do here, if you just choose the department, cancel all option and choose only meat, department meat. When you just choose only that one and click OK, the other part of the data will be hidden and only it will be showing the meat department with its relevant data. So why do we use it? If you have thousands of information and if you are looking for a specific one, you can just use the filtering option. For example, if I want meat and the bakery products at once, I want to see at once two departments only. So in this case, that's what. And here you see the icon is a little bit changed. Other ones are normal drop down arrow. That one is filter. It means at the moment, currently, actively, you have a filter applied on the department. How to cancel it? Just click again and the clear filter from the department. What about the category? You can just select only chicken and salads. Yeah, it's good. And also veggies, let's say, vegetables. So we have these options when you filter it. How to cancel it back to show all the information, clear, or again, if you want, click here or clear filter. Okay, as you wish. It will show everything again.